Hello everyone, welcome back to circus video. Today we're gonna do yoga with nature scenery of course, and today right here we're gonna do with our yoga guru.
Namaste. Hello guys, my name is Shelly and today I'm taking you through a beautiful yoga class designed for you, from beginners to advanced, anybody, wherever you are. Just have a yoga mat, have a good attitude. We're going to be outside today in nature, taking in nature's beauty and just enjoying a yoga flow. Come and join us. Alright, firstly we're going to start out on our mats with your legs crossed if you would like to. Otherwise we're coming into a half lotus, so one leg folded over the top. Or maybe even full lotus, both legs folded on top of each other. So this is really uncomfortable for some people, so this one's more advanced. Otherwise you can just start out half lotus or cross-legged. So we're going to place our hands onto our knees, bring your middle finger and your thumb to touch on each hand, place it onto the knees, roll your shoulders back, sit up nice and tall into the spine, and then pull your belly in towards your spine so you're sitting up nice and straight. We're going to close our eyes, and you're just going to breathe in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take in the sounds around you, so maybe you can hear the sounds of the trees, maybe you can hear some birds. Just breathing, getting ready to practice some yoga today. Good job. Long inhale through the nose. Long exhale out the mouth. Keep this breath. Try and imagine that the air is going all the way to your belly. Inhale and exhale. Imagine that this is filling up like a balloon, so you're pushing this out as it fills with air on your inhale. And as you exhale, allow this belly to just fold into the spine. Make sure you keep sitting up straight, nice and tall. Imagine there's a piece of string attached to your head and it's pulling you up towards the sky. One last inhale through the nose, and as you exhale, slowly bring your chin to your chest. You're going to blink your eyes open a few times just to get them used to the light, and when you're ready, lift up your gaze. Good job. Alright, from here you're going to slowly walk your hands out in front of you. Try and place your forehead onto the floor. At the same time, keep your bum cheeks on your mat. Good job. Inhale. Exhale. Walk your fingers further away from you. Every time you exhale, push deeper into the pose. Inhale. Exhale. Walk your hands over to the right hand side. A nice stretch into the side of your body. Again, make sure both your butt cheeks are on the floor. Inhale, exhale, move over to the other side. Keep breathing, long inhale, long exhale. Long inhale, exhale, walk the fingers further away from you. And when you're ready, slowly walk your hands back to center and slowly lift the body up. All right, we're going to place our right hand onto the mat. This is our left hand, so our left hand onto the mat. So make sure your hand is in line with your hip. You're going to lift the right hand up, reach tall into the sky, and then you're going to bend the arm, reach over. Good job. Try and open up your shoulders as wide as you can. Look up to the sky, reach a little bit further. Good. Make sure you're relaxing your shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, stretch a little bit deeper. Nice job. Inhale. Last time, exhale, stretch a little bit further. And when you're ready, come back up, other side. Right hand on the mat, in line with your hip. Left hand comes up, stretch up and out of your hip. Stretch over to the other side. Now if this is really difficult for you, you can keep your arm lifted up. You don't have to come all the way down onto your elbow, your choice. Good job. Open up the top shoulder, look up to the sky. Stretch. Keeping both sitting bones on the mat. Keep stretching, long inhale, long exhale. Good job. Inhale. Exhale. And slowly come back up. Good job. Alright, we're going to let go the legs. We're going to stretch open the right leg. So nice and tall in front of you. Your left leg, either, if you would like to, comes into the leg here, or if you would like to come into a half lotus. So this is more advanced for more flexible people. So choose where you feel okay. You're going to flex into your front foot. Push your knee down. You're going to lift up the arms. Inhale. Sit up nice and tall into your spine. Flex your foot. So this is nice and flexed. Maybe you flex it so much that the foot comes off the ground. Exhale. Reach forward. Try and grab for the toes. If you can't reach the toes, grab for the shin. Otherwise, pull as much as you can. Your elbows are bending out to the side, looking towards the toes, trying to get the head towards the toes. Keep flexing the foot. Keep bending the elbows. Every time you exhale, go a little bit deeper. Good job. Inhale. Exhale. Cool. You should feel this into your hamstrings. Last time. Inhale. Exhale. Pull. And when you're ready, slowly rolling the body back up. Good job. We change sides. So left leg goes forward, flex into the foot. Right leg either comes into the side of the leg or into your half lotus. Good job. Inhale, lift the arms up. Flex into the foot. Good job. And when you're ready, start going forward, grabbing the foot, grabbing the toes. See how far you can go. Pull your arms down, pull your elbows out to the side, look towards the feet. Keep pulling. Good job. Inhale. Exhale. We're just warming into the body. Two more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Fold a little bit deeper. Go a little bit more. Nice. Last time. Inhale. Exhale. Pull. Feel the stretch into the hamstring. And when you're ready, slowly rolling up, bone by bone. From here, we're going to do two options. So first option is advanced. Second option I'll give you is the beginner's version. So we're going to push ourselves into a downward dog. So you're going to lift your body up, pull your bum back. So from the side, lifting up, lift the feet back, and come onto all fours. Otherwise, for beginners, we're going to come from cross leg, swoop the legs around, and come into all fours. So your choice of which one you want to do. Easy version. Good. Make sure the wrists are underneath the shoulders, the knees are underneath the hips. From here, we're going to come into what we call a cat and a cow. So you're going to push your belly down, push the floor away with your hands, and look up to the sky. So belly comes down. Good. Push the floor away, look up to the sky. It's really good for your spine. Come down, look towards the belly, come into your heart. push the floor, curve the spine. Inhale, cow, push the belly down, look up to the sky. Exhale down, look towards the belly. Curve the spine, push the floor away. Inhale up, cow. Good job. Come back into a neutral spine. We're going to tuck the toes under and we're going to push back into our downward dog. Good. So make sure that your hips are going up towards the sky. Your belly is going towards your legs. Your hands are nice and wide and you're pushing back into your heels. You want your legs nice and straight. Inhale, look down. Exhale, we're going to rise onto our tippy toes. And down. Onto your feet. Again, onto your tippy toes. All the way up, nice. And down. Back into a normal downward dog. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Good. You're going to look at the space between your hands and you're going to roll into a plank. Good job. All the way into a tippy toe. Nice. Inhale. Exhale, pull back down dog. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, pull back, pull into your plank. Good job. Suck your belly in. Inhale. Exhale, pull back down dog. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Plank. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, downward dog. Alright, I'm going to give you two options. Diana's going to do the advanced and I'm going to do the beginners. We're going to come into a chaturanga. So you're going to go from your plank. For me as a beginner, I'm going to put my knees down and I'm going to lift my feet up. My elbows are turning into the body and I'm slowly going to drop myself all the way onto the floor. For Diana, he's going to do a full chaturanga. So the advanced version, we're going to go inhale, exhale, pull plank, inhale. Exhale, elbows in, you go all the way to the bottom. And we're going to lift up, cobra. And then you're going to come back into your downward dog. So we're going to do that 4 times. Alright, when you're ready, pull back into your downward dog. So I'll show you the beginners, Diane will do the advanced. Inhale, exhale, plank. Inhale, exhale, down, chaturanga, hold on. And slowly come up, cobra. Bend the elbows to the side, shoulders come back, look up to the sky. Tuck the toes under, push back, downward dog. Good job. We're doing this 3 more times. Inhale, exhale, plank. Your version of chaturanga. Slowly. Good. Cobra coming up. Shoulders come back, elbows bend into the body, look up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, tuck the toes under, downward dog. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, plank. Your version of chaturanga. Cobra. Up. Inhale. Exhale, toes tuck under, push back, downward dog. Last time. Inhale. Exhale, plank. Your version of chaturanga. Upward dog or cobra. Inhale. Exhale, pull back. Downward dog. Good job. Just use this as your resting position, so making sure that your heels are on the mat, your legs are back, your chest is going towards the legs. Inhale. Exhale, we're going to lift the right leg up, 3-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale, look forward. We're going to step the hand in between, the foot in between the hands. Good job. We want to make sure that our ankle and our knee are in one line. From here, if you feel like your knees are sore, your back is sore, or you're a beginner, you can drop the leg down, release the toes. Otherwise, you're keeping the leg up nice and straight. We're going to lift up. High lunge. Good job. Exhale, hands come down on either side of the foot. Use your core strength to lift that foot up and send it back into your downward dog. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, left leg lifts up, three-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale, slowly lift that forward in between your hands into your lunge. Make sure your ankle and your knee in one line. Again, beginner goes down, advanced stays up, let's lift up. High lunge. Inhale. Exhale, sink a little bit lower. Good. Inhale. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. Use your core strength, step the left leg back into your downward. Good. Inhale. Exhale, right leg goes up, three-legged dog again. This time we're bringing the right knee to the right elbow. Good. Hold it here. Inhale. Exhale, send it back, three-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale, step the right foot to the outside of the right hand into a lunge. Good. Okay, beginners can drop your knee down, release the foot. Advanced, we're keeping the leg up and we're taking the right hand to the right knee and we're going to push the knee away from us. Push the hips forward. Look up into the sky, so you're twisting the body. Good. Inhale. Exhale, bring the knee back in. From here, again, either keeping your leg up or down, your choice. We're going to slowly step the hands out in front of us, come into a dragon pose. Good. If your leg is up, make sure it's nice and strong. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hands come underneath the shoulders again. Okay, we're keeping the legs where they are. We're bringing the right hand to the inside of the right foot. And we're going to twist going towards your left hand side. Inhale. Exhale, hold. Look up to the sky, twist a bit more. Inhale. Exhale, hand comes down. We swap, so left hand stays here. Right hand twists this time. Look up towards the sky. Inhale. Exhale, hold and twist. Suck your belly in. Inhale. Exhale, hands come back down to the mat. Use your core strength. We're bringing the knee onto the right arm. Hold, inhale. So if you are down with your back leg, you lift it up. And we're going to send it back, three-legged dog. And release the leg down. Good, so come back into a normal dog. All right, what we do on the one side, we have to do on the other side, and then we'll take a break. So inhale, exhale, left leg goes up, three-legged dog. Look forward between your hands. Bring the knee to the elbow, come into your plank. Hold. Inhale. Exhale, send back. Keep breathing, inhale. Exhale, step the foot to the outside of the left hand. Good. From here, either beginners, knee goes down, or you can keep the leg up, your choice. You're going to take the left hand to the left leg. You're going to push the leg away from you. If you want, you can come onto your baby toe. Push your hips forward and twist. Good job. Inhale. Exhale. Just one more time. Keep pushing. Keep breathing. And release. Bring the leg back. We're going to slowly step the hands out in front of us. Good. Come into our dragon pose. See how far you can walk your hands out in front of yourself. Again, if the back leg is up, make sure it's straight. If the back leg is down, it's okay. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. When you're ready, slowly walk your hands back up. Good. We're going to bring the left hand to the inside of the left foot. You're going to twist. So if you want, your leg is up, you can twist the back leg. If your leg is down, it's easy. We just twist. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, release the hands onto the mat. Reposition your legs if you need to. Right hand is on the inside of the left foot and twist the other way. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hands come back down to the mat. Both hands are the inside of the left foot. If you have your leg down, you're going to lift your leg up. And we're going to bring the left knee onto the left arm. Hover. And slowly step back. Three-legged dog. And release the legs down. We're going to take a little bit of a break here. So we're going to open the legs as wide as the mat. Coming to our child's pose. Pull the bum down. And just catch your breath. If you want, and you don't want to take this rest, you can either rest in your child's pose, or you can take rest in your downward dog. Your choice. Inhale. Exhale. Now, if you're in your child's pose, you're going to help yourself back into your downward dog. You're going to come to the same position as me. Good. This time we're going to lift up the right leg, three-legged dog. Externally rotate the hip, so twist the hip open. You're going to take the right leg, bend the heel to the bum. Good. So we call this weeing dog. And you're going to open up a little bit. Exhale, look to the space between your hands. Step that leg into your pigeon. So your knees come into your elbow. Good. Release the back leg behind you. Good. From here, you're going to find your balance, so make sure you're not leaning over onto either side. You're nice in the middle. You're going to lift the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, hands come down. From here, bend the back leg. You've got a few choices here. You're either going to grab it with the same hand, the opposite hand, if you can, both hands. Otherwise, if you want to come in something called a mermaid, you're going to place your right hand on the inside of your right knee. Your left foot is going to come onto the inside of your elbow. You're going to hold it. Nice. Good. And if you want to work with balance, you're going to lift the arm up and all the way up. Release the arm, release the leg. We're going to slowly walk your body. Place yourself either on your elbows if that feels comfortable for you, or if you've got flexible hips, you're going to come all the way down. Just catch your breath here. Allow your hips to sink down, so it's really good to open up the hips. Taking one last deep breath in. Satu lagi. Inhale. Exhale, hands come underneath the shoulders. Lift the body up. You're going to lift the back leg up. Good. And you're going to lift the knee into the chest. Send it back, downward dog. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, left leg goes up, three-legged dog. Externally rotate the hips, so twist it open. When you're ready, slowly bend the leg, coming to weeing dog. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale, look forward. Step that foot forward into your pigeon. Release the back leg behind you. Nice. Alright, get your balance, so make sure you're not on either side too much. We're going to lift the arms up. Inhale. Nice job. Exhale, arms come down. Again, we're going to bend the back leg. Either you're grabbing it with the same hand, opposite hand, both hands if you'd like, or if you want to try for your mermaid, you'll see one side is easier than the other side. Get your balance. Good job. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale, release the leg behind you slowly, and then slowly come forward. Either onto your elbows if that's where you're happy, or you can come all the way forward. Use this time to catch your breath, allow your hips to open. Inhale, exhale, hands come underneath the shoulders. Lifting the back foot up. You're going to lift the knee into the chest and send it back into your downward dog. Good job. Alright, from here, you're going to inhale, exhale, you're going to bend into the legs. Firstly, this is the more advanced option. You're going to jump forward into a halfway lift. So I'll show you the advanced option. You're going to jump up and land in between your hands. You're going to immediately step up, hands come onto your shins. So if you want to work on handstands, this is a really good way to get your strength to work onto handstands. Otherwise, you're also more than welcome to just step your feet forward. Your choice. So we're going to come from downward dog. Inhale. Exhale, step or jump forward. Halfway lift, your hands come onto the shins. You're looking directly down. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Reach for your toes. This time, bring your whole body forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Good job. Be very flexible. You can also bring your hands just in front of your toes. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, last time, folding forward. Bend into your knees. Step or jump your feet back into your downward dog again. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, look forward between your hands. You're going to step or jump yourself forward into your Buddha squat. So feet come on the outside of the hands. Nice. Sit into your hips. You're going to take your elbows into your knees. You're going to push your knees open. Hands come into prayer into the heart center. So push the chest forward so your spine is nice and straight. Good job. You're going to hold this here for a little bit, just to open up the hips. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly release your right arm to the side of the mat, to the outside of the leg. Your left hand is going to come to your left knee. You're going to push the knee away from you. So try and lean all your weight into your right leg. Good job, look up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, release. And then do the other side. Bring your left arm in front of your left leg. Open up. Take your right hand to your right knee. You're going to push the knee away from you. Push your weight into your left leg. Look up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, push. And release. Good job. Bring your hands back into your heart center, back into your Buddha squat. Try a pose called crow. So advanced or beginners can play with this pose. It's really fun. You're going to bring your hands onto the mat. You're going to bring your knees onto your triceps, onto the tops of your arms. Squeeze your knees into your arms. Hands come onto the mat nice and wide, fingers. You're going to pull your body weight all the way forward. Lift one leg. If that's okay for you, hold it there. Release. Maybe lift the other leg. Hold it there. Maybe release. If you feel like you can, you're going to pull your whole body weight forward. Don't be scared of the floor, and you're going to lift both legs up. And you're going to hold for as long as you can. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, hold, and release the legs down. Back into your Buddha squat, hands come back into your heart center. Push your chest forward, sit up nice and tall. Inhale. Exhale, stand tall, Tadasana. Good job. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, arms come down. Tilt your feet, you're going to come back into our halfway lift. So it's okay if your legs are a little bit open. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Slowly bend your legs, bring your bum onto the floor. You're going to sit back onto your bum. Make sure there's enough space behind you. You're going to roll into our happy baby. So you're going to grab either the outsides of your feet or the insides. Lift the legs up to the sky. And then pull the knees into your armpits. Imagine that you're holding up the sky with your feet, so they're nice and flat. Keep pulling the knees into the armpits. Good job. Keep breathing. Keep stretching. From here, you're going to grab the insides of your toes, of your big toes rather. So hold your big toes. From here, you're going to slowly straighten into the legs. Good. Inhale. Exhale, open the legs up as wide as you can. So if that's as far as you can go, that's okay. If you can go a little bit further, keep pushing. Go into the hamstrings and the insides of the legs. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly bring the legs back together. Hold the legs, pull the legs towards your face. Inhale. Exhale, bend the knees, hug them in. And then when you're ready, we're going to come into our corpse pose. So this is the best part of yoga. So we're going to make our legs as wide as the mat. If you have lower back issues, you can bend the legs. Otherwise, we're just going to relax here. So you're going to take one hand on the heart, one on the belly. You're going to close your eyes. And just for a few seconds, we're just going to relax the body. So squeeze into the butt cheeks to release the lower spine. And if you're outdoors, just listen to the sounds. So for us, we're lucky we can hear the birds, the ocean. Just relax the body, relax the mind. Allow the toes to relax. Let the legs relax. Your hips relax. Your belly relax. Let your heart relax. Let your mouth relax. Let your eyes relax. allow your whole body just to relax, take in everything around you. Feel that nothing can distract you. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. Exhale. We're going to slowly move the fingers and the toes. Maybe if you'd like to take the arms up above you, stretch into the body like you're waking yourself up. Slowly bring the knees into the chest. Hug them in. See if you can grab each elbow and gently rock from side to side. Massage the spine. When you're ready, rock yourself all the way back up to your free seat. Just ending the class off the same way we started, keeping your eyes closed. We're going to bring the hands into the heart, into prayer. So push your thumbs against the chest. Slowly take a bow to yourself and honoring your own higher power, honoring the love within your heart, the kindness that you live with, the light that is within you. Know that you are always so very loved and you are more powerful than you know. Take a moment now to be grateful for 3 things in your life. It's been an honor to teach you this afternoon. May the warm sun shine brightly upon you. Namaste. Alright, so that's it for our yoga class today. Just remember that you can do this yoga class wherever you are, inside, outside, in a park, on the beach, in your garden, wherever you are. It's perfect for all beginners, intermediate, wherever you are in your yoga practice. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you for joining me today.
If you like the video, please like and share, and see you in the next Circus Speed video.